Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today's kata titled Reversed Words. Complete the solution so that it reverses all the words within the string passes in. First of all, I need to split my string by a white space. Then I can reverse it and then join it again by a white space. Let's try this solution. Yes, that's correct. Let's modify it with an arrow function, and it will be without this return. Now I can replace these brackets by a string literal, and this also. That also should work. Good. However, there might be not only one space but more, so in that case I need to match this string against white spaces using a regular expression. So that means match it and a space one or more globally. So it will split a string against one or more spaces. Let's try. Yes, that works. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.